Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix not compatible with this device on App Store in iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to download and install any app from your App Store, but you're facing this type issue that this app is not compatible with your device. So let's see some possible fixes. The very first thing is that you just have to go back from here and relaunch your App Store. And very first thing is that you have to retry. So it might be that there will be any bug or any glitch. So you have to retry to download app. Or if you're still facing the same issue, open the settings app. Very first, go for general, go for software update. And you have to try to updating your software. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your software. Then go back here and tap on App Store. Tap on your profile option in the top right corner. And here select sign out to sign out your Apple ID with your App Store, and then tap on sign in again. Then type in and then sign in with your same Apple ID. Once you have re-signed in, you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to simply make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone and you have to open your App Store again and retry to download or install any app from here. So after restarting, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to try to log in your Apple ID with a different iPhone or the iPhone higher model from your this iPhone, and after that you have to install the app on that device. And once you have installed the app using your own Apple ID on another device, and then retry to open your this App Store here, and then retry to download this app from here. So here select the purchase history, and you'll find the app in your purchase history once you have installed your app on another device. And after installing, you will get in your purchase history, and after that you can easily download and install it from here. Or in any case, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to simply open your Apple Sport app, or you can easily install it from your App Store, or you can use Apple Sport web. Select your iPhone from here, then select this more option, select App Store, and here just wait for this loading, and tap on Get More Help, tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to dial. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.